Data has become money, so anybody can make money using data. But there is a catch. Whenever you want to share a data, make sure that you are benefiting from the data that you've been sharing. This is an app that is asking for my consent to be able to share my data, or to allow the app to share my data, including the cookies, the site address, the information about my device, the website I visited. Look at it. Here is consent from 111, and secondly, there is also consent from 70 vendors, which use the limited data to select advertising. So they will use the data for accessing the information that my to and fro, or my surfing the net, or whatever I use on the internet. They will collect those data from the application that is interacting with the data. So they will model the kind of advertising, the kind of resources, or whatever interest they think I have, so that they will be sharing it with me. But behind the door, I am not the one who is benefiting from whatever the kind of information has been gathered for me. I'll come to that point, just to give you some insight about how data is going to be utilized by the companies. So in this 2025, the challenge is that people will be issuing data without being aware of what they have been supplying to. So the agent, or the AI model which use this data to model the data into what the customer or the consumer may want, is something that is very limited, or per se, you will just be providing people with data. So here is another 96 people, so I will not consent to this. If I can remember, my YouTube channel has also asked for my consent to be sharing the data that I have. This is what is going to be termed, particularly by the ecosystem that is being built to allow people on their data, among of which I know of Favor, which is a social platform that I've been featuring in almost all my posts. And also there is a large platform which is a layer 1 blockchain that is going to monetize your own data. Let me go to that and show you. I hope you guys can see the video. This is dApp on the Vana blockchain, which is a stake of Vana. So the Vana token is used to provide liquidity for the data aggregators or data suppliers, or you can see people that use the platform to monetize the data, or allow the people that owns the data from those platforms to actually allow their data to be shared. When they allow their data to be shared over those platforms, then the kind of money or the revenue these people has generated, the people will be rewarded for the particular use case. So from the point of view, or from my point of view, the now data economy is going to ride the world into a new era of people monetizing their own data. So you have to catch the ride first of all, so that you will be able to get the reward from the data that you have been using. So I think for more information, somebody needs to go to Vana platform and see the kind of data liquidity pool that are available. I am sure there are people that use the data for uh, uh, Twitter, which is X, the Reddit, the other platform. Let me make this into desktop view. When you go to desktop view, you will see, you'll get the idea of what I am trying to convey. So here is the people that provide liquidity for data, and this, when you want to see the information about any particular DAO or the data liquidity provider, you can just hit on it, come to the site and see. This is the Volera. We champion the vision of an open internet where users have full ownership of their data. and the AI model they help create. Volera is decentralized data marketplace for X data, that is Twitter, built on the first Vana network. We empower users by giving them ownership of their data and enabling them to earn from it. So if you want, if you have Vana, you can just come here and contribute by staking some point or some tokens, that is the Vana token, into this pool. Whenever they share the data from those companies, you switch the network into the platform, and you can just connect your data. So when you connect the data, let me come here and see, connect with my Brave wallet. So now connection is successful. So now I am going to first of all come to this place and validate with Vana. When I validate with Vana, I have a rank of 13,038 rank on Twitter. So when I will just come here and say validate, I will send the transaction. All the tweets that I have been using, the post that I liked, whatever I share on Twitter is going to get monetized. So if I stake my point, when I stake my data on the Vana network, you'll see that there are point for tweet, that is 0.8 for 2 tweets. You see, now the AI in the background, as you can see, it is catching some data from all of the tweets that I have. So let me plug in my phone, so and I pause the video. Whenever I finish, I'll come back and show you how to monetize your data. So for other testnet guys, if you want to be part of this revolution, I recommend that you go and start mining the Xenia, farm the newly generated token, which I'll share in the link of the video. So let me start mining. When I start mining, you'll see the quick start, create a MetaMask wallet, install, you see, install the Docker, install the miner image, install the runner. So when I follow these guides, I install it, I will start mining the data based on the Twitter. So for the video to not be too long, just to show you some possibilities that are ahead, so make sure you stick around and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Also in the link there are some recommended link which I think you can farm. Make sure you farm this project which are in the description for this video, and thank you for watching.